Hey, how's it going? Good morning. It's nice and sunny, as I think you can see there. Today I'm going to be working on the FJ. I'm going to be installing a fuel door with a locking gas, I guess you can't say cap because it's not a cap, but a locking gas door. Never been very secure about just having that. So today we're going to be putting that on here. I bought this one off eBay. It was $151, I believe. I just don't want to come back from a hiking camping trip where I leave the FJ and to find out someone siphoned out my gas. Sounds nice too. Anyway, you can buy locking gas caps, and I've had a few in the past, but the other time I accidentally forgot my key once, and I looked up on YouTube to see solutions of how to get into a gas cap that's a locking gas cap, and oh my gosh, it was so simple. Within just a few seconds I was able to poke a little hole, then jam something in the hole, and then turn the whole gas cap completely off. So anyway, I didn't feel very secure just getting a locking gas cap. I wanted something more secure. So the process, I guess, I'm gonna have to drill these holes here, and then I slide it on here and attach those two bolts, and voila. We do, I guess, also remove this so we can get access, but we will give this a try. Okay, one thing I want to point out, you don't have to completely remove the rubber seal that's around the gas cap right here. You can just take this off. That gives you access behind where you're going to drill these two rivets. There's an upper and a lower, and the door then should come right off. So here we go. All right, well, that took all about maybe 5 to 7 minutes. I wasn't really keeping track of time. Wasn't very hard. The hardest part was probably putting the nuts on the back side where the gasket is. The longest part was probably just drilling the two rivets out. Anyway, put the old key in there, unlock, voila. There was one other thing I didn't point out. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. There's a little brace you put over, and then you pull out one of the Allen wrench and screw it right in there, that bolt. Two bolts here, and 5 to 7 minutes, you have a locking gas door. Not a cap. A lot more secure, that's for sure. So do not lose your keys. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helps. I would highly recommend it. A little bit expensive for just a single door, 150 bucks, but I couldn't really find one I liked any better for cheaper. So I thought, well, I've skimped on stuff before, so I decided to get the expensive one, and now I kind of feel good about putting a whole tank of gas in without having to lose it or have someone mess with your rig while you're out hiking and leaving it by the trailhead. So anyway, peace.